Welcome to the PayCruiser app. You can accept payments, issue refunds, send money and withdraw your funds all in real time on this platform. For accepting a payment, click on Receive Money. Your client can make payments via mobile money, pay with phone, credit card, stable coin, check, and cash. Here I am selecting Orange Money as a payment method. As my client is paying with her mobile money, so she will be using her phone number as a method of payment. That's what here, I am entering her phone number. In the next section, put the amount. Here, you can also select an optional memo. In the last, click on Next. You will be asked for confirmation. Once you confirmed, your client's telco will send her a message to approve the payments on her phone. Now let's see how your client will approve the payments. This is what happens on your client side. Following the telco's instructions, she quickly validates the payment from her phone. After completing the process, her telco will let her know that she has successfully paid, as it is shown that she has received a confirmation SMS from her telco as proof of payments. Now here on the PayCruiser app, the telco lets PayCruiser know that client paid successfully on her phone. PayCruiser then refreshes your app to show that your client has paid. Funds will automatically be deposited in your mobile wallet or bank account. That's all about how will you receive money on the PayCruiser app. Thanks for watching.
C'est combien?
35.
Ok.